Hey everyone, how are you doing? I am going to introduce something really exciting that I've just started working on. That is a 1 week program for the ones who want to get introduced to wizard consciousness, right? It's an initiation program for those who want to get access to the essence of wizard consciousness and get a taste of it. Okay, I've always been talking about wizard consciousness, that it is the stage of consciousness where we start seeing life from the 4D reality perspective and above, and we take direct control of our state of being. We take direct charge of our vibrational state of being, and we try to raise our vibration from there, because when we do that, reality being a reflection, being a mirror, it starts showing all the things that we are representative of. And when we raise in vibration, it has nothing but no way but to show you what you're representative of. So our work in Visit Consciousness is just to work on our state of being, right? And in the program, I'm going to share with you the very essence of the wizard consciousness, what it is, right, in detail. I'm going to share with you the tool, the essential tool that I teach to all of my students. Have been teaching. They have got tremendous results with a very simple tool, which I call the inner audit method. It's a simple technique that you use every day to pay attention to your vibrational state of being, to pay attention to your state of being throughout the day on a moment-to-moment basis, right? And what it does, the inner audit method, is that you become aware with your inner state of being. Whenever it contracts, you become aware. Whenever you feel tense, you become aware on a very, very subtle, good level. You become very clear what's going on in your inner workings, right? And with that clarity, you will be able to take charge of your state of being and rise in vibration. I'm going to share with you how in Visit Consciousness we rise in vibration by choosing to move towards the things in our life, simple things that we enjoy, that brings comfort to us, that bring relaxation to us, that satisfies us, that brings us enjoyment. Because if we slowly navigate ourselves towards harmony, our state of being will come in harmony. And the entire ascension journey is about just this, moving to higher and higher stages of harmony. So in the course, I'm going to share with you how you can move to higher levels of inner harmony within the very first week. It has been my experience that almost all of my students, you can watch the testimonial videos, they are in the description of the video. Almost all of my students within the very first week start experiencing higher levels of harmony using the tools and knowledge that I share with them. So it is my expectation that it is going to happen with you too, as you work on your state of being. Work as in not work. It's all going to be joy. It's all about fun. It's all about moving towards what you enjoy, right? And by doing that consciously, you will going to rise in vibration. As you rise in vibration, you are going to notice there's going to be a lot of relief, comfort, relaxation, resonance, amazing feelings that will start coming to you within the very first few days. That will come as a natural feedback. All these things I'm going to teach to you. I'm going to share with you why I call this the wizard stage of consciousness, right? What are the previous two stages of wizard stage of just stages of consciousness, which I call the victim stage and the hero stage? How one comes to this particular place. What is the magical life is all about? How you can line with your life purpose timeline, because you have a life purpose timeline, you see. You have infinite timelines before you right now. This very present moment is the doorway to infinite timelines. And through the choices that you're making, depending on the level of harmony from which these choices are made, the decisions are made on a moment-to-moment basis, doorways are open, timelines are open, which you get access to, which are of a similar vibrational range, right? So many interesting stuff, right? I'm going to share a lot of essences. This program is not going to be very in-depth, because I talk about a lot of in-depth understanding and realizations and integrations about visit consciousness in my other long duration program, the 3 months and the 6 months program that I do. But this program is about you getting to understand what this is all about. How is it really possible to live life magically? How can actually be a wizard within your own life? If you want to know about it, if you want to work with me, because in this program I'm going to give you not only one-on-one coaching sessions, there will be group coaching sessions, and there will be video tutorial modules, exercises filled with explanations, filled with details about all of this stuff, right? Every week you are going to see yourself evolving, right? So if you want to know about this, I'm taking students right now because this is a program that I'm creating. So those of you who are going to join this program are going to help me build this program, because I'm going to build it directly with you. I'm going to take your feedback and I'm going to build it along with you. It's going to be a really, really exciting experience for me and you. So those of you who want to be part of this creation process of this wizard initiation program, you are going to get a tremendous amount of discount on this, because you are going to be helping me creating this program, which is going to benefit so many others in the journey, right? So there's going to be a big discount, okay? After which, naturally, I will, not be able to give so much discount to the others, and the price will rise, okay? But now is the chance for you to be part of this process of creating this program, to be in the inner circle, in a sense, right? So if you want to explore this journey, if you want to know what wizard consciousness is all about, then send me a mail. If you're watching this on YouTube, my mail ID will be in the description of the video, or send me a direct message if you're watching this on Facebook or elsewhere. I'll get in touch with you. I'll ask you some questions. I'll have a chat. And if I feel you're ready, we'll have one entirely free spiritual integration session, you and me, one-on-one, there I will see what are some of the things that you're looking forward to. I'll give you an entire session, and then in the end, if I feel you are ready, I will take you in, right? And we will get started, right? So get in touch with me, and if you have not already, share this video with your friends who might benefit. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, leave a comment, right? How you found this new thing that I'm doing. And yeah, I'll talk to you again soon.